Begin on your hands and knees with your hands under the shoulders and knees under hips. Start the movement by gently rolling the pelvis back and forth as you flex and extend the lower back. Once comfortable with this movement, integrate the mid-back and neck by opening up through the chest and looking up as you create length through the front body, then rounding out through the back as you create length through the back body. Inhale with a deep, relaxed diaphragmatic breath while looking up and opening the front body, and exhale fully as you lengthen the back body.